guys, now we're gonna make some scalloped potatoes. In my dish here, I've got about 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna put 2 pounds of sliced potatoes on top. I'm going to pour over 2 cups of heavy cream, so that's going to be 1 pint. Okay, a little pinch of nutmeg, a tablespoon of garlic, a little bit of black pepper, and a little salt, a little more salt, I'm going to give these a little bit of a stir. They're going to go into a 350 degrees oven until they're done. Okay, the potatoes are done. I cooked them for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. So let me know if you give them a try.